after knowing the fact that reading newspaper can actually improve our English, most of us find it difficult to develop interest towards it. And some of us, even after reading newspaper, are not able to improve. Why so? Well, I'm going to answer this question in today's video. I take English classes, so I can easily tell you the correct way of reading newspaper, the way I suggest it to my students, and the way I read it and learn from it. So stick around till the end. My name is Trilekha and I make videos on English grammar, personality development, parenting tips, work from home ideas and lot more. And you are watching my channel Lot to Learn. I would recommend you reading newspaper only if you have some basic knowledge of English, if you know tenses, if you know a little bit about active passive. Otherwise, you should first learn some basics and then you can come back to reading newspaper. If you want to know how to start learning English step by step, you can watch this video for detailed information. If you are a beginner, initially you may not understand those scary, grammatically incomplete headlines, those never heard before words and phrases. So most of the time you will be like this. Okay Google, tell me the meaning of perception. So this is the best thing we all have these days. We don't have to go to dictionary, okay? So by just saying once, you can find out the meaning and you can come to know how you can use that word in sentence. Now, at times you will find that you will have to go to reread a particular line to understand the meaning, which is absolutely fine and normal. I too had faced this problem before. Do not try to put so much of mind in understanding those headlines. The only challenge here is that you should not give up and you should be consistent for 10 days. I can assure you, you will see improvement after 10 days if you follow the upcoming tips. Choose the right thing. If you are beginning, I would suggest you do not start with the first page of newspaper unless you are very much interested in politics. I read Times of India. Guys, please, this is not sponsored video because I have made a video on White Hat Junior sharing my experience, and people, I mean not people, haters, they have started commenting that I've taken some money and all that, okay? So please, this is not a sponsored video. I like Times of India because I feel the level of English is less complicated here and I find it easy to understand. According to me, if you follow these 3 sections, you can surely improve your English. So the number 1 is local news. If you read local news, you will feel connected to the kind of English they write there because the level of English is not high and it is related to your day-to-day incident, tragedies or whatever happens around you. It can also be useful to you if you want to talk about something, some such kind of incident when you want to talk in English. Let me show you some examples, okay? So as you can see here, 2 employees of Devi Ahilya Vishwavidyalaya exam department tested positive for COVID-19 on Thursday. Even after listening, after hearing so much about COVID-19, if I ask you to say simply कि आपका कोई friend COVID-19 पॉजिटिव पाया गया है, या फिर अगर आपको ये बोलना है कि आपके आसपास कोई पॉजिटिव है, तो आप उसे इंग्लिश में नहीं बोल पाएंगे. तो यहाँ पर अगर आप देखेंगे, आप क्लियरली देख सकते हैं यहाँ इन्होंने किस तरह से लिखा हुआ है, एग्जाम डिपार्टमेंट, 2 एम्प्लॉयज ऑफ एग्जाम डिपार्टमेंट टेस्टेड पॉजिटिव फॉर कोविड-19 ऑन थर्सडे. इसको आप चेंज करके बोल सकते हैं किसी पर्सन के लिए दैट ही हैज टेस्टेड पॉजिटिव फॉर कोविड-19 ऑन थर्सडे. So this is a very important English which is used in our day-to-day conversation. The second example is, here they are talking about flights. So this would be the first flight on this route post lockdown. Post lockdown may be new term for many of you. Post lockdown का मतलब होता है lockdown के बाद, and it will connect Madhya Pradesh with Rajasthan and Maharashtra. So if you want to talk about connectivity of 2 cities, you can use such kind of line which is written here, okay? One more line I have underlined for you. flight will fly from Nagpur. According to tentative schedule, flight will fly from Nagpur at 9 a.m. and reach Indore at 10:20 a.m. So, flight will fly is also a correct phrase which you can use. आप कभी भी ये कोशिश मत कीजिएगा न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते वक्त कि उसको हिंदी में एज इट इज़ ट्रांसलेट करने की कोशिश मत कीजिएगा, और ना ही हिंदी से इंग्लिश में। इंग्लिश सीखते वक्त ये बात आप प्लीज़ ध्यान में रखिए कि वर्ड टू वर्ड ट्रांसलेशन नहीं होता। This section is one of my favorite. I think this is editorial section. So if you're preparing for any speeches, GDs, I would suggest you to read this speaking trees and the articles which are given on this page. And I always start reading newspaper from this page because I am interested in it. So I suggest that first you should find out your area of interest, and accordingly you can start reading newspaper from there. I was talking about this page particularly. Okay, if someone is preparing for GD or speeches, you should read this page. This is really beneficial. Let me show you something which I have already underlined for you. This line, if you read, it says, instead an invisible microbe proved to be a deadly adversary wreaking such havoc on our lives. Now, what is the meaning of this line? Wreaking such havoc on our life. इसका मतलब होता है बहुत भारी विनाश। तो हमारे लाइफ को कोविड-19 ने जो विनाश किया है उसके बारे में हमारे ऊपर जो इतना बड़ा हार्मफुल चीज़ हुई है उसके बारे में यहाँ पर ये डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं। तो पर्टिकुलरली इस पेज से आप बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं। इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट दिस कॉलम, लेट मी शेयर माई एक्सपीरियंस। दिस गाय एंड वन मोर लेडी इज देयर, दे राइट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम हियर। Trust me, I have to read every line twice or thrice. Sometimes they write it in such a way that even I don't understand. So it is very normal. But I do not run away from it. I read it always. So I would suggest you the same thing. News related to lifestyle and Bollywood page can actually teach you smart phrases and some slang words which are very much in trend these days. So it can definitely take your English to one level up. So I would strongly recommend you to read this newspaper, and let me show you how you can do that. This page can actually teach you very good English because most of the time you can see celebrities interview here. Okay, so let me read these lines for you. It was traumatic for my family and kids who were in London. I didn't get to see them for 4 months. They were getting calls and messages from people on social media, and some of them were downright nasty, even telling them to kill themselves. Now, as you can see here, this is one sentence from it to kids, and there after comma we are beginning one more condition here, okay, who were in London. So that is how you can make big sentences. Also, one more new, for most of you it may be new, this word downright nasty. This means the people who are very blunt. In Hindi आप कह सकते हैं जो बहुत ही बदतमीज किस्म के लोग होते हैं, कुछ भी बोल देते हैं, okay? तो इस तरह से आप अगर पढ़ेंगे न्यूज़पेपर, आई एम श्योर यू कैन इम्प्रूव योर इंग्लिश. प्लीज कीप अ पेन व्हेन यू आर रीडिंग अ न्यूज़पेपर एंड व्हेन यू आर बिगिनिंग. ओके, कमिंग टू द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट विच इज vocabulary. I have a diary where I write most important things about my work. On that diary, I have made one page where I have put a heading that says Times Takeaway. And whatever words, when I read newspaper, whatever words I find useful, easy to understand, I write there, and in a day or two I revise it. I try to use those words while writing, texting or speaking. So that's how, if I have written 4 or 5 words, and even if I'm able to learn 2 words, that means I have learned something. At last, I would say it will appear scary and challenging in the beginning, but if you don't give up and if you follow right strategy, you can surely improve, because that's how I have improved my English. So keep on reading newspaper and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. If you like this video, do let me know through your comments. Also, you can follow me on Instagram and you can check out some bloopers related to my videos there. Thank you so much for watching me.